And welcome back, everyone. We are starting it off with the new coin update. Please feel free to look back in our old videos. Ordiswap has already been done there. You will see all the drawings in this when I turn it on. Also, please don't forget, please leave a like. Please subscribe to this video if you like these videos. Please press the bell button for notifications and subscribe if you haven't already, so that way YouTube can share these algorithms videos to other people that are like-minded individuals to help us grow. Greatly appreciate it. Aside from that, if you're interested in trading with me live or would like to discuss anything, feel free to join us on our Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps the channel grow. So thank you so much. Now let's get back into it. Ordiswap, by the way, guys, you can see this is one of the first coins that I've done that will be showing you this deep of a dive, okay? And I want to go over a quick few things. First being that we have a video from this when it first came out. And in that video, I'm pretty sure I said, this is a brand new coin. There's not a lot you can do other than just see the range, blah, 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 blah. I'm going to show you those drawings right now. And you can see we are already way past all of that, right? And right back. This new drawing I just did today, this fib on the right. So I'm going to remove that one more time, and we're just going to do a quick naked analysis. First, when it first came out, it started very low. You had a huge blow to the top, and then what you did was you held around here for a while, and buying slowed down, okay? Volume was lackluster as it got to the top, and then you started actually pivoting to the downside. Now, as to the downside, you are starting to calm your volume down, and you're trying to put in a nice little almost triangle formation. You can see blindly retesting the low of when it first came to the exchange on MEXC. I don't know if there's another exchange with more history, but feel free to check it out. Now that you see that, right, now let's turn on the drawings. You can see from the original drawings that I had was on weekly, but this is on daily because I want you to see the refinement of this. In that original video, this is what we looked at, going like, hey, here's a potential head and shoulder, here's this triangle formation. If you can break out, you could break out and come to the 10 or 11 cent target, which you actually had a nice wick above and basically came back down. This level here, you can see how price has been kept under for a very, very long time. And then it wasn't until right here on this bull flag test, okay, and if you can't see, there's an inverse head and shoulder here, okay, and this was the test of the shoulder, and then the breakout occurred after you broke out of the fib consolidational level. Now that all that has happened, feel free to go back to this old video. I am deleting all of this head and shoulder setup, saying that, hey, if this thing breaks down and loses this level, you will have a measured move coming all the way down to like 2.5 cents. Well, guess what, guys? We're basically coming to that 2.5 to 4 cent area right now. That's the only reason I'm making this video. It is a nice buying opportunity. And keep in mind that this thing probably had 80% drop, if not more. Let's check. 85%. I mean, if you are a fan of this project and you did all the hype and bought it over here, why are you stopping now? You don't think Ordinals is worth it now? You know what I mean? Like, if you wanted this asset, I'm telling you, here's the best potential buying opportunity for the long-term bull run if you actually do have faith or consideration, due to the fact that everyone who bought this asset now is under where it originally came out. Not under, but it's retesting where it's originally coming out. This little order block over here between 3 cents, like it's prime buying opportunity. In matter of fact, full disclosure, I do not own any of this asset. I am probably going to pick up an allocation. At this much of a discount, the Indian in me is screaming. Small allocation, even if it's I hold it for a little bit and it turns into, you know, from here, I'm telling my target is all the way here, right? There's no MITRE air trading here. So if this is my target, that's about a 250% gain, and you should always ladder out. You know, you're not supposed to take here and just wait for here. I will be out on the midline, okay, And look where we are on left. If you look all the way left, why am I taking profit there? Here's your little arrow reminder like, hey, this level is important. If you take this here and you want to be even more conservative, right? You should be taking profit on every resistance. All the way back up, you know, into this order block here, and then all the way back up like that. You don't have to just take your profit right away. You can slowly ladder out, which is what I try to teach all the members. Here's a 50% gain, and this is spot, no leverage, mind you, okay? So you're just buying spot. You have no real risk of liquidation. You're just basically holding to potentially zero if it can go that low, okay? Your next game could be at 100, the next game could be 150, and then the next one at like 250. So maybe like every 50% spot gain, take some profit for at least this setup, because of the fact that you don't want to be caught holding the bag on a retrace. What does that mean? Okay, say you pick it up here and you actually get over here. Well, you can get rejected back down, come back, find support, and then break out like that. Okay, it doesn't have to be just in a straight path up. It can consolidate like this, and it's actually logical to do that in an expanding wedge fashion, because we don't want to go down, but we will grind this low. Maybe one quick swing failure pattern poke, just a wick, not even a candle body, just a wick, like a wick, and then just start breaking up to basically do a short squeeze. Now, whoever bought over here, it would be in their best interest to defend their investment, right? Thank you. So in this range, where I just do the little channel, and I'm gonna make this channel white, because you shouldn't have any emotional attachment to it, but obviously it should be green because we're looking for upside. In this channel, you already see you're breaching, like, I wouldn't say I want this to go any more lower. So if you want a stop loss, right, and you take this long, you can have a stop loss right under the golden pocket, a little bit under 2 cents. If it goes under 2 cents, you can go pick it up for a fraction of a penny if you want to take that long. But you don't have to ride the whole 4 cent loss. You can at least get out maybe like 50%. So this is something I am going to consider. This is something that I wanted to bring to your attention. I'm showing you this on a daily time frame because the daily is already pretty much sold and done. On the weekly, you have to be patient, like, for accumulating this one whole week. This week can be the bottom, but we're just starting this. But this is why I'm bringing it to your attention. Keep an eye on this all week. You'll probably have your opportunity as long as everything goes smooth. The only risk to you is the market in a whole going down. Everyone who watches my videos, keep an eye. Look what Dixie's doing. So, yeah, downside is probably going to happen, and then it will probably swing failure pattern back up. Lots of sell pressure will probably be coming to markets due to the FOMC on Wednesday. So please prepare. If you guys, aside from this, have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. I will make another video tomorrow, so please do subscribe, press the bell button notification, leave a like, so that way you get these videos as they come out. Last but not least, if you could leave a comment in the comment section below. If you're interested in trading with us live, feel free to join us on the Discord server. Link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all other affiliate services that I use and recommend. So thank you guys so much for your time. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Adios.